Top 5 programming languages to learn in July 2021. 1. C programming language is one of the oldest and most popular programming languages, but the TIOPE index the developer can use the compiler using the C programming language provide foundation on their ingest version. 2. Java object-oriented programming language and general use programming language that can create object encompassing data and functions, offering structures for applications and program. This programming language is easy to learn, can handle massive amount of data and boast incredible security. Python is a general-purpose language that can be used for backend development, app development, and data science. It helps in reducing the amount of coding time and offers interactive qualities, allowing programmers to test their code. For C++ is also a general-purpose programming language that has generally coordinated and function features along with low-level memory manipulation. The programming language gives a clear structure to the code, helping lowering the cost of development, and developer can resume the code. C Sharp is C family C family and improved programming language that can be used for game development, VR, and desktop mobile web apps development. It is general purpose programming language that beginner can also use. So please guys uh, subscribe my channel on YouTube. I will see you next time. Also like my video and comment on my channel.